Students, we shall start a new chapter today. That is third chapter. Third chapter. Linear equations in one variable. Linear equations. Linear equations in one variable. One variable. One variable. Students, first I will explain. I will revise what we are studying in the previous class. Then
Good morning, sir.
why I am explaining why I have started the class. Now please in between. Good morning is over already. Now, while I am explaining, don't skip in between. Okay. Now listen. Linear equations in one variable. Before going to this topic, this title, we shall revise what we are studying in the last. Okay. So first I'll explain, not necessarily the right. First to understand. Afterwards, directly we shall go to equations. See students, you have studied variables and constants. Variables and constants you have studied in the last one. Okay. Variable is a quantity which changes its value. And constant which does not change its value. For example, say if I write x plus 2 equal to, just if I write x plus 2, x plus 2. Here I don't know the value of x. I don't know the value of x. A number, I can call this as a number. A number added to or 2 added to number. We can write like this. Here, x value I don't know. X can be anything. It takes different values. This constant, 2 is a constant, means it will not change its value. I'll give the meaning of variable. Say, in your home, you might be having coin box. You might be having the coin box. In the coin box, you will put the money. You will put the money in this. Say new coin box. I'll call this as x. What is its value now? Inside nothing is there, 0. Now value is 0. If you put say 10 rupees, then the next value becomes 10. This box value inside box 10 rupees. Again you put 10, this value becomes 20. You put again 10 rupees, this value becomes 30. So what is x? X is variable. X is a variable. X is taking different values. Previous beginning it was 0. Now 10, 20, 30. It is taking different values. It changes its value. Now x is a variable that changes its value. Correct? And this 10 rupees are now 10 rupees. 10 rupee remains 10 rupee only. You keep 10 rupee inside, 10 rupee will not change. Its value will not change. Box value changes. 10 rupee value is 10 only. So 2 rupee or 2, number 2 is 2 only. This is constant, it will not change. This is variable, it changes its value. This is variable, the quantity which changes its value is a variable. And constant which does not change its value. It will not change its value, that is constant. We have studied the algebraic expressions. We have studied the algebraic expressions. expressions. What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is a combination of variables, constants, and arithmetic operators. What are arithmetic operators? Plus is arithmetic operator, minus, into, division. These are all arithmetic operators. Symbols, mathematical symbols, that is arithmetic operators. These are arithmetic operators. Okay. What is algebraic expression? It is combination of variables, constants, and arithmetic operators. If I say sum of two numbers, sum of two numbers, I don't know which numbers. So one number I call it x, another number I call it as y. I can write x plus 1. Twice a number. Twice a number. Twice means 2 times. 2 times a number. Number, which number is not given. I will take it as a variable x. So 2x. Then 3 times a number added to 10. So 3 times a number added to 10. Product of two numbers. Product.
We write, sir.
No, don't write. Product of two numbers. So two numbers. X into 1. Sum of three numbers if I write. Sum of three numbers. I don't know which numbers. I can write x plus y plus z. Here, this is algebraic expression. This is algebraic expression. Don't write this. You have studied these aspects. These are all algebraic expressions. What is algebraic expression? Combination of variables, constants, arithmetic operators. Here the answer is not. Here x and here dx variable is there, operator is there, constant is there. Okay, here three variables are there. These are all algebraic expressions. Depending upon the number of terms, we call these algebraic expressions by different name. If it has two terms, it is called as a binomial. An algebraic expression which has two terms is called binomial. Here terms are separated by plus or minus sign. If plus is there in between, these are the two terms. If minus is there, then also two terms. If into is there, not two terms. For example, 2 and x is there no here. Between 2 and x into sign is there. 2 into x is 2x. So it is one term only. 2x is a single term. If one term is there, it is monomial. Last year we also monomial. Okay. This is also binomial. Two terms are there, so it is binomial. Then this one, only one term, monomial. This one, 1, 2, 3 are there. If three terms are there, we call it trinomial. Okay, you have studied all these already. All these you have studied. If there are, in generally, if there are two or more than two terms, we call those algebraic expressions as polynomials. What is polynomial? Polynomial is also algebraic expression. Polynomial is also algebraic. It has more. Poly means many. Polynomial means having many terms. Okay. A polynomial is also algebraic expression which has many terms. Or if the algebraic expression which has two or more terms is called a polynomial. Okay. So here monomial, binomial, trinomial, these are also called as polynomials. These are also called as polynomials. Okay, generally all algebraic expressions are called as polynomials. How we have defined first monomial, binomial, trinomial we have defined, but all these are called in generally polynomials. Okay, this you have studied last time. Correct. Now, linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one. What is equation? An equality between two quantities is known as equation. An equality between two quantities is known as an equation. For example, if I write 2x equal to 10, 2x equal to 10 is an equation because equal to sign. This equal to sign tells the left hand side and right hand side both are. It is equality. It is equality between two quantities. So this is an equation. In algebraic expression or in polynomial, equal to sign will not be there. Okay, if equal to sign is there, then that is equation. What equation equal to sign tells? Equal to sign tells left hand side and both right hand sides are equal. Left hand side and right hand sides are equal. Correct? This is the equation. So, what should be the value of x to get 10 here? Can anyone tell me what should be the value of x?
5.
5. Correct. So 2 into 5 gives what? 10. So x value is what? 5. This is x value. The x value for which this equation is true is known as solution of the equation. This is known as solution of the equation. What is the solution of the equation? 5. When x is 5, LHS and RHS are equal. CR. 2 into x is the known, 2 into 5, that is equal to 10. This is true. It is true for only x equal to 5. For other values, not true. You put 1, 2 ones are 2 will come, not 10. Put 3, 3 2s are 6 will come, 10 will not. Only for 5. Okay? It is true. So 5 is called a solution of the equation. 5 is called solution of the equation. Understand it? 5 is called solution of the equation. Now, here linear equation 2x equal to 10. Its exponent is 1. Its exponent is 1. Okay. The highest power of the variable in the equation is known as the degree of the equation. Highest exponent. So value of x, x power x raised to 1 is there. So it is 1. 1 means its degree is 1. Degree is 1. You can write this way also. X square equal to 36. You can write x square equal to 36. This is also equation. This is also equation. X square equal to 36. Now what is the exponent? Exponent is 2. If exponent is 2, its degree is 2. I can write say x cube plus x square plus x equal to 10. I can write here its exponent is 1, its exponent is 2, its exponent is 3, highest is 3, so its degree is what? 3. Degree is 3. Okay, now we are going to solve the equations whose degree is 1. Whose degree is 1. Right now we are not going to solve any equations whose degree is 2 or more than 2. If degree is 1, if degree is 1, that equation is called a linear equation. This equation is a linear equation. Linear equation. What is a linear equation? Its a degree should be 2. Degree should be 1. What is linear equation? Its a degree should be 1. What is degree? Exponent of the variable. Highest exponent of the variable is 1 here. So linear. This is not linear. This is not linear. It is called quadratic equation. It is called quadratic. So this is a quadratic. Example is this is just I have taken an example. Here degree is 3, that is called cubic. Cubic. Now we are not going to study these algebras. We are going to study only the linear equations in one variable. For example, if I write one equation, let us see. Sum of two numbers is 100. This is also equation. What is the degree? 1. What is this? What is this exponent? 1. Nothing means 1. Here y is to 1 is there. What I am told degree? Degree means highest exponent of the variable. So highest is how much? 1. Here also 1 is there. So this is also linear equation. This is also linear equation. Okay. But what is the here? Linear equations in one variable. We are going to study linear equation in one variable. Here x and y two variables are there. Right now we are not going to study. Yes. We are going to study only linear equations in one variable. Understand it? We shall write, don't worry. You understood this much? Now you write it. Some sentence. Equation means what? Equation. An algebraic equation and algebraic equation and algebraic equation is yes, right, is an equality, is an equality, is an equality. Algebraic expression is an equality involving variables. Variables. Example, one example here. 2x minus 3 equal to 7. So here this is variable. These are the constants. This is called coefficient of the variable. Now this part is LHS. This is LHS. Left hand side. This one RHS. Right hand side. This is equal. Write this one first. Students?
Don't rub, sir.
Okay, right.
Over, sir.
Over. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the meaning of equation we have? Now we shall write what is the meaning of linear. Linear equation. And algebraic expression, equation whose algebraic expression whose degree is 1. Degree is 1 is known as linear equation, or is called as linear equation. Examples. You can write 10x equal to, say, you can write 5 x raised to 1. This is 1 is highest exponent. You can write y 1 by 2y equal to 20. Y raised to 1 is that. You can write 2 by 3 z raised to 1. You don't need to write 1. Even if you don't write 1 is there. Z means z raised to 1 only. Z raised to 1 minus 100. This is equal to 0. This is also equation. Linear equation. Here 1 is there. Here also 1 is there. Here also 1 is there. So it is linear equation. Even we can write x raised to 1, y raised to 1, is x plus y equal to, I will write that. For your understanding, I have rounded this. Okay. This is equal to 100 if I write. This is also linear equation. Here I have not told linear equation in one variable. I have told linear equation. This is also linear equation. Its degree is 1, highest exponent is 1. So it is linear equation. But if there are two variables, now we are going to study linear equation in one variable. So there should not be x and y. Can be x or y or z or any other variable, but only one should be there. Is you can write the linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. We are studying linear equation in one variable. So now one more sentence. Linear equation. In one.
Sir, liner after what, sir?
What is that?
Downside, sir.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Linear equation. EQN. Short form. EQN.
Okay, sir.
Linear equation in two variables. Now, what is linear equation in one variable? An algebraic expression. An algebraic equation, an algebraic equation whose degree is 1, involving only one variable. Only one variable.
Sir,
Yes.
you wrote a linear equation. This one only, sir.
Which one?
Definition.
But I am writing here involving only one variable. Here I have added one more word, one variable only. Here generally I told linear equation. Degree is 1 means linear. Degree is 1 means linear. This is also degree is 1 means linear. Here degree is 1 linear, but 2 variables are there. Now linear equation in one variable means only one variable should be there. Understood? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Just if you say the word linear equation, it can have 2 variables also. Now what is our headache? Linear equation in one variable means only one variable should be there. Write some examples now. You can write some examples. Linear equation in one variable. Examples. One. X minus 2 equal to 7. Second example. 6x equal to 12. It need not be x always. You can write any variable. Here, for example, p divided by 2 equal to 50. This is also linear equation. Or 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 divided by 7. This is also linear. Its highest degree, x raised to 1 is the linear. Here x raised to 1 is the p raised to 1 is the p is a variable here. Here x is a variable. So these are all the examples for linear equations in one variable. What is the general form of a linear equation in one variable? General form of linear equation in one variable is ax plus b equal to 0. This is called linear equation in one variable. General form of linear equation in one variable. Okay. What is A? A is called coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x? It is a number multiplied to x. How many times x is there? If you tell, that is a coefficient. Yeah. X term should be there when it is linear. Ax plus b equal to 0. See here. This one. Ax. A is 6. X is there. This b is that side. 12. We should take this side. So this becomes 6x minus 12 equal to 0. Then that becomes in general form. Understand? Write this which first. Written students.
Over, sir.
Over. Okay. Written students, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You understood students all this? Now tell me, can anyone tell me directly what should be the value of x here? First equation. What is should be the value of x here?
5.
5. If it is 5, 5 minus 3 is how much? 3. 3 equal to 7, is it true? No. Number minus 2 should be 7. Yes, who else? Who else want to tell? Be fast. Hmm. Yes, tell me.
9.
9. Who told answer?
Sir, I only.
I
Sahana.
only means, huh?
Sahana
I
Joshi.
okay. I only means I don't have your image here, so I don't understand. Okay. You tell me. 9 minus 2 is how much? 7. Okay, value of
7.
x is 9. X is 9. So what you have done? Now you have got value of x. Finding the value of the variable in the equation is known as finding the solution of the equation. If it is asked to find the solution of this equation, we have to find the value of x for which the equation is true. Okay, this is correct. I'll explain. Don't write now. Just listen. What is the value of x here?
6.
6. If I write 6 here, 6 is how much?
Sir, 2.
36. 36 is 12.
Sir, 2.
2 is 12. Yes. 2
Sir, 2.
is
6 2 12.
2 6 are 12. 6 2 are 12. This is correct. Who told answer?
Sir, I, sir.
I will see. Tell your name. Why?
Amit.
I mean, okay, this is correct. 2 is the solution of this equation. Okay. What about this? 50 is half of which number?
25.
25 half is how much?
100.
100. Half of 100 is 50, no? So 100 divided by 2 is 50. Correct? 2 1 ja, 2 50 ja. So 100 is answer. What about this? That we shall solve. Okay. So finding the value of the variable is a nothing but it is a finding solution of the equation. You might have not understood how to find the solution. I'll explain step by step. Very simple. Solving equations. Solving equations. Solving equations which have which have linear expressions. Linear expression. Linear expressions. Linear expressions on one side. On one side. And numbers on the other side, on the other side. This is heading. Always equations which have linear expressions on one side and numbers on the other side. So some examples we shall take. Example 1. Find the solution of find the solution of, I will take some simple examples first. Find the solution of x plus 10 equal to 20. X plus 10 equal to 20. Very simple, it's 10. But how you should solve this? You should
X
take, yeah, 1 minute. First, you should take one balance. You should go to the market and take the balance. Here you put x plus 10, you put 20. Now both are equal. Correct? Now both are equal. This equality, what it tells? It tells both sides are equal. Now I don't want 10 here. I want only x equal. I want to find the value of x. So I don't want 10 means what I should do? Already plus 10 is there. Removing means what? I should put minus 10. I should remove minus 10. Here also I should remove minus 10. Then equality is same both sides. Here plus 10 minus 10 became 0. Here 10 minus 10 became 20 minus 10 became 10. So 10 minus 10 cancel here, x here 10 is remaining. Correct? But always whether we should take balance to solve? No. Here we should write like this. Answer x plus 10 is equal to 20. This 10 should be removed. So what I will do? I subtract 10 from this. I also decide this. Subtracting 10 from both the sides. So now what happened? X plus 10 is that. This side also minus 10. This side also minus 10. What happened now? Plus 10 minus 10 cancel. X equal to 20 minus 10 is 10. Okay, understood? First you write it. Again I want to explain. Now we have solved the equation by balancing. That is adding both not subtracting from both sides. Written, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you see this step, you see all of you. Plus and minus is 0. Plus 10 minus 10 is 0. Plus 10 and minus 10 is 0. Okay. Plus 10 and minus 10 is 0. So I'll remove this. Plus 10 minus 10 is 0. What happened now? X equal to 20 minus 10. This 10, when it comes this side, it has become minus 10. So this is second method. First one by balancing. Second method, transposing. 10 is transferred to right hand side. So plus 10 becomes minus 10. So you don't need to write this subtracting. You can transpose this. Plus becomes minus. So x equal to 10. You are understanding this?
Yes, sir.
This step can be eliminated. This step eliminates. What you can do? Transposing. You should write one word. Second method is one word. You should write transposing. Transposing n to RHS. N is plus here. When it is transposed to RHS, it becomes minus. So x is 10. Understood now? Second method. Another question. There x plus 10 I have taken. Next I will take x minus 10. X minus 10. Can anyone tell me answer? Yes? Can you tell me what is the answer?
30.
30. Yes, 30 is the answer. 30 is the correct answer. So given equation is it is x minus 10 equal to 20. I don't want 10 minus 10 here. Okay, I want to cancel this. So what I do? I add 10 to this. Minus 10 plus 10 cancels. So adding 10 to both the sides. 10 to both the sides. If I add 10 to both the sides, what happens now? X minus 10 is that. Now I am adding 10. This term also I am adding 10. Plus 10 minus 10 cancel. X equal 10, 20 plus 10, 30. 30 minus 10 is 20. Right. You understand, students? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you
Yes,
see
sir.
okay. Second method I have. This is
Yes, sir.
by balancing. We have added both sides. Now, if I remove this much, what happens? You see here. I remove this. Plus minus 10 plus 10 is 0. So I will remove that. So what happened? Minus 10 when it goes to that side, it has become plus 10. X equal to 30. This is not necessary. What we can do? Transposing. Transposing minus 10 to RHS. Right hand. If I transpose this, minus 10 became plus 10. So x equal to 20 plus 10, x became 30. This is second method. You can write this also. Written students?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Third example. Now, example number 3. Find the solution of, I'll write the equation now. 6x equal to 72. We have to find the value of x. What should I do now? Tell me, students. 6x equal to 72 is that. I want x equal to, not 6x equal to. Solution means I should find the value of x, not 6x. I want to cancel this 6. What should I do now? If I add 6 will cancel. If I add 6, Whether we can cancel 6, 6? No, we cannot cancel. If you subtract, whether we can cancel? No.
Sir, 12 answer.
Answer is 12. Directly you have done. That's correct. But what we should do here? Dividing both the sides. Dividing both the sides by 6. Now I will divide both sides by 6. 6x is there. This side also 6. This side also I will divide by 6. What time? 6, 6 cancel. 6 1 the 6 12 the. So x became 12. This is solution of the equation. 12 6 are 72. Right.
Hello.
You understood, students? All of
Yes.
you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Don't rush, sir.
Yes, yes.
Rush.
Student, okay, students, who disturbed? Who is that?
Don't know, sir.
Someone disturbed in between. Check your names, all of you. Whether double names are there. Sometimes someone enters with other name and disturbs. Say students, now dividing both sides by 6 is there. 6 6 cancel, here. 6 6 cancel. I will erase it. 6 6 cancel. Now look here what happened. 6 cancel. This side you see. 6 6 cancel. This side you see. 72 by 6. When 6 is moved this side, it has gone in the denominator. It was in numerator. It has gone to denominator. Understanding? Multiplication becomes division when it is transposed. Understanding? Multiplication becomes division when it is transposed. Now, we shall write transposing. Transposing, second method. Transposing 6 to RHS. If you transpose 6 to RHS, multiplication becomes division. So x equal to 12. Understanding? Right. Sushmita, you have raised hand, tell me. Sushmita, you have raised hand. Do you want to tell something? Yes? You understood, students, now?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next example, example number 4. Example. Now I will take another example. X, say 1 by 3x equal to 1 by 3x equal to, I'll take 12. What is the value of x? Can anyone tell me? 1 by 3x equal to 12. What is the value of x? One third of x is 12. So yeah, since what is 12?
Sir, answer is 36.
Answer is 36. One third of x is 12.
Four,
One
sir.
x is there.
Sir, 2.
Here 1, 2, 3. Three parts are there. One third is 12. One third is 12. This is 12. This is also 12. This is also 12. How much? 36. So how to do this? How to solve this? One third of x we can write equal to 12. I want to remove this 3. 3 is in denominator. In numerator 1, 3 will need to cancel. So I multiply towards by 3. Multiplying both the sides by 3. Now multiply both the sides by 3. Here 3 into 1 by 3x. Here 12 into 3. This 3 cancel. X equal to 46. Right. Over students, did you write?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, second method you see, understand here only. It's very easy. This 3 cancel now. 3 cancel means I'll remove this. Now see what happened. This 3 has gone right side. It was a denominator, it has gone to numerator. When you transpose the number which is in the denominator, that goes in numerator. So transposing 3 to RHS. When you transpose 3 to RHS, denominator becomes numerator. So 12 is a 36. Understood? Write this also.
Time is over, sir.
Thank you all then. Some next exercise to try in your home. Exercise homework is exercise 3.1.
Sir, we don't have textbook.
You don't have textbook?